Alafin's children won widow over father's reputation. Wife defends husband after alleged assault. Warning: don't take phone near cooking gas. Attend intensive 2025 JAMB UTME tutorial class at Akahi Tutors, Ile-Ife, Osun State. Call Akahi Tutors Management on 08038644328. Thank you. A Nigerian woman has shared a tragic warning after losing a family member in a devastating fire caused by taking a phone near a cooking gas. The woman, who wants to raise awareness about the danger, explained that the phone's spark ignited the gas, causing a massive fire that claimed the life of her loved one. She urged everyone to be cautious and keep their phones away from cooking gas to avoid such tragic incidents. Remember, safety first. Keep your phone at a safe distance from cooking gas to prevent fires. On another news, wife defends husband after alleged assault. In a surprising turn of events, Mrs. Peace Levinus has defended her husband in a live video, just days after sharing a Facebook post claiming he physically assaulted her. Initially, Mrs. Levinus shared photos of her injuries and sparked outrage among social media users and advocacy groups. However, in her latest video, she read a statement clearing her husband of blame and asking the public to respect their marriage. The sudden change has raised eyebrows, with many questioning the motives behind her retraction. On another news, Alafin's children won widow over father's reputation. The children of the late Alafin of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Adeyemi, have issued a cease and desist letter to Queen Dami, one of the monarch's widows, warning her against tarnishing their father's reputation. The letter, sent by Aminat Adeyemi on behalf of her siblings, threatens legal action if Queen Dami mentions their father's name in future interviews or online posts. The family described Queen Dami's behavior as increasingly embarrassing and unacceptable.
Akai Tutors ìyá o. Akai Tutors lèmi lọ. Òbí alágbàtọ́. Akai Tutors lèmi lọ.
Ṣẹ́gun níbo ló tún ti ń bọ̀ báyìí? Ó ń bọ̀ láti ibi táwọn ọmọléèwé ti ń ṣoríire ní. Níbo tún nìyẹn ọ̀dọ̀ Akai Tutors tí ìjọba ti lù ló ń tẹ̀ ní. Èmi lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù 2020 JAMB form, WAEC form, NECO form, JUPEB form àti PEDIGREE form ni o. Dákun fún mi ní àdírẹ́sì wọn. Wọ́n wà ní nọ́mbà 67 ìdojúkọ Odùduwà college Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Mo rò pé inú Odùduwà college wọ́n wà tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Rárá o, iwájú rẹ̀ wọ́n wà. Kódà ilé ìgbé wà fún àwọn ọmọ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí ọ̀nà wọn jìn. Kódà ẹ̀kọ́ ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ní Akai Tutors. Ṣẹ́gun ọ̀fẹ́ràn mi. Dákun ọ̀rẹ́ mi má bínú. O lè pe Akai Tutors sí 08038644328 tàbí kó kàn sí wọn ní www.akainews.com. Kò burú, jẹ́ kí n pe àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó kù kí àwọn náà lọ jẹ nínú àǹfààní yìí. Àmọ́ ṣé gbogbo àwọn fọ́ọ̀mù yìí ti jáde lọ́dọ̀ Akai Tutors ni? Má lágùn jìnnà. Pè wọ́n sí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ 08038644328. Wọ́n ó dá ẹ lóhùn kíákíá ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Akai Tutors lèmi lọ.